What we have here is a Sachs powered Conyers Battery Charging Generator. Has a 2-stroke 33cc Sachs engine. And on the other side, we see the generator. Conyers tag on here. A little hard to see there. And labeled says WE Conyers Limited. Voltage 6 to 24, wattage 360, type D350. And on the generator we see negative output, positive output, a series of jumpers, which I assume are reconfigured to vary the voltage output from 6 to 24. And we have an ammeter on here to indicate charging rate. And we have a panel here that I assume was added by a previous owner. Anyway, so we heard it runs pretty well. The spark plug, amazingly enough, is the one that was in it when I got it 15 years ago. We saw how easy it starts. The tag in the engine says Fishel & Sachs, 33 centimeters cubed and 67, so that's, I assume, meaning that it was made in 1967. It's got a Bing air filter that's quite often seen on old Ski-Doo snowmobiles. It's got no shut off on it. I simply shut the fuel off and let it run out of fuel to stop. It works pretty well. You simply open the throttle and choke it to start it cold. Open the choke when it starts. Set the speed at whatever you want to have the output at a whatever level you want. Now this does have a remote cable attachment on it. Looks like maybe you could have this in a, I don't know, in an RV. Don't know how you would start it. But anyway, there's a spot for a remote cable attachment for the throttle, at least. And just something to note here on the recoil, this being a 2-stroke, this little ferrule here, if you remove the screw, you can turn the ferrule over and you could install the recoil pulley facing the other direction, so the spring was in the other direction as well. And I assume there's a second keyway in the flywheel so that the flywheel can be removed and rotated so that the ignition timing is correct for rotation in the other direction. Anyway, it's got a fuel tank on it here. Mixing instructions and starting instructions are still on there, as is the Sachs logo on the fuel tank. There we have the Conyers Battery Charging Generator that I'm looking for information on. I've been looking for quite a while and I haven't found any information on it. Anyway, that is a neat little generator.